Did you know you can make Excel speak? Yep, that's right, you can. And we'll show you how it's done in one moment. Yet first, you may be asking why would you want to have Excel speak your data in the first place? One reason is you might want to cross-check or double-check large amounts of data faster and more accurately. Plus, it could be a really good way to keep yourself from going crazy when reviewing large lists. So here's how it's done. The first step is to add the icon, and the easiest way to do that is to go up here onto the Quick Access toolbar, right-click, and choose Customize Quick Access Toolbar. In the drop-down, switch to All Commands, then scroll down, or a trick you can do is just type the word Speak, and Excel will bounce you down into the section here. What you're looking for is Speak Cells. Once you find it, click it, and then choose Add. The next step is to select the cells you want Excel to read, then go up here, click the icon, and here's what you get.
USA, UK, Ireland.
Before you go, by chance you're interested in some free quick reference guides, or maybe a list of all the conceivable Excel keyboard shortcuts you could ever use, feel free to download them using the link above. If you like this video, please feel free to share it, and make sure to follow for more tips.